Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council celebrated its 71st Foundation Day at Diphu, hosted by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat at Langkung Habe Sarsing Teron Auditorium Hall, Diphu. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was established in 23rd June 1951. Every year, the day is celebrated as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Foundation Day. Likewise, this year, it was celebrated to mark the completion of its glorious 71 years. It was held at Langkung Habe Sarsing Teron Auditorium Hall, Diphu, hosted by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat. The event began at 7:30 a.m. early morning. MP, CEM, MECs, officials and many other important dignitaries assembled to honor and pay tribute to Karbi legendary figures Ru Samson Singh Ingti, Khorsing Terang and Sarsing Teron by visiting their statues. Honorable Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Raju Tiso unfurled and hosted the national flag at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat Complex. The Foundation Day was carried forward by CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. A brief history of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was shared, their achievements and also the future plan of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to development all around.
Ajur ding tui pen kacesong Bharat kachari aron along ke tok dak hemprega puthak pen tame hemprega puthak tame lahai puthai le tum chingwai chingsai pen ka pichun ji aphan team Karbi Anglong ahin pen Karbi Anglong arat ke doan hamphang ke doan social civil organization ke doan student organization ke doan intellectual ke doan lapen ke orang awar saya klaim abang puang pergi doan tame iltum ning sipet pening king sipet pen klaim lo plong te iltum arni sipet ke iltum sayang deng iltum chuji.
The guest of honor of the event was Jogen Mohan, HAD Revenue and Disaster Management Minister, Government of Assam. Chief guest was Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, Nandita Garlosa, Power Cooperative Mines and Minerals Minister, Government of Assam, Vidya Singh Inglang, MLA, Chairman, ASHIDC, Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Bay MP, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Padma Shri Professor Rongbong Tirang, Padma Shri Dhaneswar Ingti, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, MECs and many important dignitaries attended the event.
আমি এই ধাৰণাৰে আমি হৰুচু কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখন আমি আৰু উত্তৰণ ঘটাব লাগিব বহুত স্কিম আমি দিব লাগে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ আমাৰ ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী মহোদয়ে কাৰ্বি আংলংক খুব ভাল পায় তেওঁ অন্তৰখন কাৰ্বি আংলংতে আছে কৈছে তেওঁ স্পেচিয়েল ফাণ্ড আমি দিয়াৰ এবাৰ বাজেটত আলোচনা হৈছে স্পেচিয়েলি ফাণ্ড দিব এছঅপিডি ফাণ্ডটো আছে আপোনালোকৰ যিখিনি আৰু স্পেচিয়েলি আপোনালোকৰ বিপদে আপদে স্কিম দিবৰ কাৰণে এটা নতুনকৈ এছঅপি পাছ হৈছে এটা বাজেটত এনাউন্স হৈছে অসম বিধানসভাত যে আমি হুকিয়াকে ফাণ্ড দিম অসম চৰকাৰে.
On this very occasion, Sar Angjok Tokbi was awarded with Khorsing Terang Award. Dharam Singh Teron was awarded with Excellent Award for his excellency. The Best Employee Awards of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and many more awards were awarded at the event. News Text report with Longsudar Ingti for Karbi Anglong Live.